Hey darlings, so I am back with another video, and this one is a very simple shea butter mix tutorial. You guys have asked for this for the longest while, so I am finally delivering. So here you just see all the tools that I'm using. I'm using a chopping board, and I put foil on my chopping board because it's plastic to make it easier to clean, and I'm using glass utensils and metal utensils so that they will be easy to clean. So here I'm just cutting off my shea butter. Now I usually don't use my food scale for this, but just to give you an idea as to the measurements, I did it today. So I did not show the mango butter initially, but I remembered that I had mango butter that was going to expire soon, so I added it to the mix. All of the ingredients are in the description box, so check it out. I realized that I did not have enough oil, so I added about 0.5 ounces more of oil to make my mixture fluffy and buoyant and creamy, just the way that I like it. So I'm showing you the texture a little. I then go ahead and add my essential oils, and this is also when I would add my fragrance oil. In this process, I did not have any fragrance oils on hand, but I wanted to get this video out to you, so I did it anyways. I usually use the cucumber melon fragrance oil, which I love. And I know that you can use a bag to pipe the mixture into your jar, but I just use my knife, and the tapping motion that you see me doing with the jar is to take out all the air bubbles. Here I'm just showing you guys a few of the ways that I use shea butter. It's very essential in my daily regimens. So I use it to moisturize my skin straight from the shower. I also use it as a lip balm, and I use it as a scalp moisturizer, as well as to seal in the moisture into my hair, whether my hair is in a protective style or loose. So here you see me just coating my scalp with the mixture so that it's not itchy, and you also see me sealing in the moisture from the aloe vera juice that I sprayed into my hair. Leave a comment down below to let me know whether you use shea butter and whether you make your own shea butter mix at home. If not, let me know if you'll be trying it after seeing this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.